Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kinigilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka Sorkar jalaling ba umentri katnat PWD road menha ka arfkhandai trek ukalaling kon arhajar arfusaw. Kala rum jingyalang ye ki officer ban tokit benya halor ki project shna surok jong scheme PMGSY 1 but PMGSY 2 hapo obnai leber arhajar arfusaw. Kajila Meghalaya kabla sakhi ki project shna surong hakishnong ki thau ki sahkut lut na kalyang ka Sorkar India kala bu por ya baro ki jila ka ri kenthop ka Meghalaya bakin pendep lut no ya baro ki project shna surong jong ka scheme PMGSY 1 but PMGSY 2 hapo ubnai leber arhajar arpusaw. Yathu uba prestun tinsong. Ha kajing yalang bishar kam barki he officer kabaya kren halor kajing pendep yaki project jong ka PMGSY 1 2 but 3 ka Sorkar India kala Dumok ya ka Sorkar jila badaiban pendep lut hapo ubnai leber. Uba prestun ulakam ba ka Sorkar nadu usnem arhajar khatpra kala pelong omduna ya ka shipo hajar klor tingka tang haka kamshna surong. Halor ka PMGSY 3 uba prestun ula ong bakiladon katu katni ki contractor ki baladem pentrei ya ka kam. Ka PMGSY 3 hi ka day ka jingshna penhe bat siang rong ya ki surok baladon lupa ha ka jilla bar kathong kalong 6,000 arspa sanpo kilometers.
Let me just tell you that we are still based on the Republic Day speech, so please read to that. Keren deh. Ngala de batai nga ong piba menta nakaliang jong komen ngila IT sikana chesdel menta kidang examine kidang test ya soil test bat kini kita narosdong bangin le downstream Krishna ke ciking bakal kata ke ciking bat kata surokan mi ha katuka industrial estate leng bajong ke industrial estate kan pelong ya ka bypass jok kanika ciking
Anu kador kan tu cuma.
Oh pi kita investigate kidang study de ya kador na parti. Now package 1 and package 2 unpackaged 4 work order has been issued. Package 1, in fact, Government of India under NHIGCL, they already started resume the work. Then package 2 again, final work order has been issued, and now the machinery is being brought, and very soon they are going to start, as well as package 4. And in package 4 again, right now, final work order has been issued, and a few more official documents has to be done between the contractor, the company, and the NHIGCL. So I'm happy to tell you that very soon, all these 3 packages, the work will resume.